This is EMX, it's the second event. We believe that for a new product like electrical motorcycle we should have a new format, and that's why we made a proposal to FIM to rethink the total concept. And we believe that with 8 final, quarter-final, semi-final, final on a short track, a 5 minutes event is halfway between BMX and motocross, and this is what the future should be of electrical motocross.
All of us, we know motocross, but we don't really know what's electric race with bikes. We don't know that. And therefore, events like this are very important, I think. It's a short time, only 4 laps on a small track.
Yeah, it was a bit weird in the beginning, you know, to ride a bike without noise is very strange. You hear the electric motor running and you hear the wind. But yeah, at the end you start to get used to it, and yeah, you can have a lot of fun on these bikes. There are a few sections here with the doubles and the waves there where you can have a lot of fun on it, and the table jumps.
The battery technology is evolving every year and getting better and better. The engine part of the bike is already ready for some years now.
The difference of the electric bike and a motorbike is there is no clutch. The brake is all on the steering. It's yeah, it's a lot of bottom power, not so much stop power.
Electric motocross is nearly the same as motocross, but only a big difference without noise.
Commercially, it hasn't been released yet, so the bikes have been in test phase for the last years, and they will be commercialized this year, in fact. The testing phase has proven to be really successful, and we have several e-parks nowadays that are indoor parks most of the time, where you as a customer can go there and then ride your bike for a few hours indoor.
Last year they asked me and I did it, and I didn't really expect to come here and win, and this year I'm the winner from last year, so everyone is putting some pressure on me to defend it and to try and win again, so we will see how things go. I know that a lot depends on the start. It's not such an easy track to make the pass, so all depends on the start.
The bike is very fun to ride because the suspension and brake are a bit soft, but I enjoy, I have fun on the jump, so yeah, it's very nice.
it's really fun. I was looking forward for a year since last year. You can play with it. You can jump, you can scrub, you can take the corners like you do with a real motocross bike. Only there is no sound. That's a big difference.
First time I tried an electric bike, very impressed about the bike. I was thinking, yeah, it's gonna be very smooth, but it's aggressive and it's very funny.
I think it's pretty a good bike and it's working pretty well on the track and now on the ramp. I'm trying just now. And I'm really thinking to not flipping today. But yeah, after the show I just want to flip the bike and everything is good. I'm landing good, like super happy for that. And I really need to pull hard on the ramp to have the good rotation. And that's make me scary because I'm not trying on the front pit, I'm just like directly to dirt now. And yeah, it's really different, but it's the same rotation. Super fun to ride, super easy and smooth, and yeah, I like the bike, really.
Been a good day today. Unfortunately, I've been crashing too much today, but I think it was good for the public. It was a good show, something completely different with the e-bikes, and it was good fun. You know, it's been a great bike that KTM has been putting together, and yeah, it's been good fun.
Yeah, second winner of MX of Zolder. Yeah, very happy. It was a nice day of racing with the electric bike. I was very impressed about the bike. It was working very good. I think everyone enjoyed to ride here. The track was nice with some wave section, some jump. It was very nice. From my part, I really enjoyed to ride with the electric bike. For the race, I took the whole shot. I make a good jump off the gate, and I lead the whole race. So it was nice to ride in front, and yeah, I was a bit stressed to ride in front. With first time riding in front with the electric bike, it was funny. So yeah, very happy to win this race, and yeah, it's cool.